On localhost, how do I pick a free port number? I'm trying to play with inter-process communication, and since I cannot figure out how to use named pipes under Windows, I thought I'll use network sockets. Everything happens locally. The server is able to launch slaves in a separate process and listens on some port. The slaves do their work and submit the result to the master. How do I figure out which port is available? I assume I cannot listen on port 80 or 21. I'm using Python, if that cuts the choices down.
Do not bind to a specific port. Instead, bind to port 0. The OS will then pick an available port for you. You can get the port that was chosen using sock.getSockName 1 and pass it on to the slave so that they can connect back. Sock is the socket that you created, returned by socket.socket.
For the sake of snippet of what the guys have explained above.
Bind the socket to port 0. A random free port from 1024 to 65535 will be selected. You may retrieve the selected port with getSockName right after bind.
If you only need to find a free port for later use, here is a snippet similar to a previous answer, but shorter, using Socket Server. Note that the port is not guaranteed to remain free, so you may need to put the snippet and the code using it in a loop.
If you want to see my